She said, what's up? It's preacher. So I dropped my truck off at the Kenworth dealership, and they said it can be two things. They said that they've been finding that there's been some clogs and the injector lines that it could be causing that code to come up, or it can just be the sensor. But they're gonna check it out, and they're gonna be working on it tomorrow. Why the dealership is always like that? You ain't gonna go to the dealership; they're gonna find work on your thing the next day. So unfortunately, it's not gonna be like that. So tomorrow they'll call me and let me know what it is and everything like that. I get back home. Like I said, I got a lot of things to do this weekend, and I'm out here with my daughter doing the Girls on the Run, the Power Girls.
So he
That's all of them.
he gives all of the district papers
That's her right there.
to each
Went to
other.
get
He
you
said,
some.
"Don't hurry for this school."
I got some cold bottled water.
That's what they call it. They call it coding
So,
now.
so this. Uh huh. Oh, okay. She got some water. Yeah, that's nice and cold, ain't it? Uh-huh. Yeah, hydrate yourself. Yeah. All right, get back out there and do it now. So tomorrow I know what it is. Like I said, the check engine light, well, the malfunction engine light had been off for the last 2 days, but still want to check it out. I don't want to be broke down on the side of the road out here. So that's what's going on with the truck. They say it's just girls on the walk. Supposed to be girls on the run.
You can make it work with no water till your next lap. So.
But they little kids, y'all. They little kids, y'all. This is how you start, I guess, track and running in track. You got to start off. You got to start off somewhere. You know, you got to start off somewhere. So, all right, preacher, end it out.